I'm Dawson Schmidt here with the latest stories and developments in this week's Commodity Roundup on Trader PhD.
Widespread rain is making its way across the midsection of the U.S. this week, pushing crops to the finish line. Storms made their way through parts of Nebraska, Kansas, and Oklahoma over the last 72 hours, filling in critically dry gaps in those areas. Systems continue to move across Iowa, Missouri, and Mississippi. Government models anticipate above normal precipitation over the next few days. Meanwhile, temperatures in the Ag Belt are expected to remain relatively mild over the next 5 to 10 days. Soil moisture deficits have been growing in the plains and eastern Corn Belt over the last month. However, the market expects forecasts to be benign as the USDA anticipates record corn and soybean yields. Egypt has been ramping up its wheat purchases to take advantage of lower global prices. Bloomberg reported that the country purchased 280,000 metric tons of wheat in its latest tender that closed this week, sourcing grain from Bulgaria and Ukraine. The tender ended up falling short of the 3.8 million tons that the government was looking to buy for delivery, ranging from October to April. Still, that brought the total for the 2024 and 25 season to at least 2.39 million metric tons, which compares to only 885,000 purchased by the same time last year. Global wheat prices have been working to build a base after erasing gains from this spring's crop scare rally. Prices struggled to rally this summer despite persistent crop struggles in the Black Sea and European Union. Last month, Egypt executed its largest wheat tender since 2022. Signs of strong wheat demand are expected to support prices as the global balance sheet continues to tighten. U.S. pork production is set to outpace beef this year as the hog herd grows and cattle shrinks. Pork output is expected to be 28 billion pounds, up 2.5% from last year. Meanwhile, beef production is expected to decline by about 1% to 26.8 billion pounds. Pork production has kept pace with beef since the cattle herd liquidation ended in 2014. That was driven by increasing productivity in the hog industry over the past decade. The USDA's latest supply and demand report this week showed that beef output is on pace to fall below pork for a second consecutive year, with that trend continuing in 2025. Thanks for watching. I'm Dawson Schmidt, and this has been Trader PhD.